In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Instacart order history. This is a simple process and is perfect for those moments when you want to check on past orders. Maybe you're looking to reorder your favorite groceries or simply keep track of your purchases for budgeting purposes. Whatever the reason, by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to navigate through your Instacart order history with ease. Let's get started by heading over to the Instacart website. Simply open up your web browser and type in www.instacart.com to reach the home page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now by entering your login details. Being signed in is crucial because it connects your activity to your account and allows you to see your personalized order history. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You'll notice an icon that represents account. Generally, it's depicted as a little person or user figure. Go ahead and click on this account icon. Doing so directs you to a section with several options associated with your account settings and preferences. From the menu that appears after clicking the account icon, you'll see a list of options. What we're looking for right now is labeled Your Orders. This is the section where Instacart compiles all your purchase activity. Click on Your Orders and it will take you directly to your order history page. Now you'll find yourself on the order history page. Here you can see a comprehensive list of all the orders you've placed through Instacart. Each entry typically includes the details of the order, such as the date, the items purchased, and even the total cost. If you're trying to track a specific purchase, you can scroll through this list and with a little patience, find the exact order you're looking for. This page can be especially useful for those who want to streamline their shopping experience. If you find an order that contains frequently purchased items, you can quickly reorder them without having to search for each item again. Furthermore, tracking your spending is made easier by having all your expenses in one place. And there you have it. You've now learned to view your Instacart order history. It's a simple yet powerful feature that keeps you organized and informed. If you have any questions about this process or encounter any issues, feel free to refer back to this video. Don't forget to keep this tip handy for future reference. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with Instacart.